Hello everybody, I'm Sarvas Kumar. Uh, I am proudly mentored by Polly and Tanu ma'am and coached by Pradipta Kumar. And today I'm going to talk about Neutralite history and its farming practices. Uh, Before I go and dive deep into the Neutralite history and farming practices, let me start with the general mundane thing. As a human being, we face multiple challenges, and medical problem is one of them. Uh, we or some of our distant relative face the medical problem, for example, heart related problems, diabetes, asthma, thyroid, hair fall, mental headache, stress, and things like that. And we generally visit doctors in order to get ourselves cured. And doctor prescribes us, they prescribe the pill, and we just pop, and instantly we get some relief, realizing little that the pills had its own side effect. And then in order to cure our side effects, we go for another pill, and the vicious cycle just goes on and on. uh, but slowly and steadily, in last couple of years, the awareness about the healthy living has grown leaps and bounds. And as you know, the nutritional supplements, as we call it, are there to help us prevent the various diseases or lifestyle diseases that we confront in our daily life. And talking about nutrient and nutri supplements, uh, you all must know that Nutrilite is the biggest supplement manufacturer in the whole wide world. It is a American company. It was established in USA in 1934 by Carl Strimberg, and in its heyday, its name was California Vitamins, and in 1939 it was renamed as Nutrilite. For my utter surprise, it has more than 6,000 acres of land spread in 3 different countries where they grow crops using organic farming methods. You may be wondering why the crop is spread in 3 different countries, and what is the reason behind it. The only reason behind it is some plant has a tendency to grow in particular climate. They tend to behave or grow better in particular climatic condition, and in order to optimally utilize or force them to grow in a particular condition which suits them, which helps them to grow better, Nutrilite has farm spread in 3 different countries, and they have farmlands in California, Mexico, Brazil. Another positive fact about Nutrilite is that it has certified farms. As a pharmaceutical companies, they have to have the certified farms mandatorily. There is no shortcut for that. but supplements company are not required to, by law, they are not required to have the certified farms, but Nutrilite have certified farm. Another fascinating facts about Nutrilite is that while they harvest, they make sure that their harvest is converted into finished product within 5 to 6 hours in order to retain the nutritional value of the product of the material to its fullest, and it helps, and that is the reason I must mention here that Nutrilite is the biggest nutrient supplement company in the whole world. So another thing, other unique features about Nutrilite farming practice is that for phytonutrient, I guess I hope that you must have heard about these terms, phytonutrients. See, as a human we have multiple diseases, and so is the plant, so has the plant. They too have they too suffer from various diseases, but what keeps them growing, what helps them maintain the good health? We never see a plant visiting the doctor in order to get their ailments cured. The fact is they have phytonutrients which help them cure their diseases through their autoimmune system.